Hi and Assalamualaikum. I'm Norrisha Faiz from 3 Farabi. I'll explain how blood consists of gas respiration can be transported. First of all, we breathe in oxygen and it will be diffused through the wall of alveolus into the walls of capillaries and into the blood. In red blood cells, there is a dark red colored compound known as hemoglobin. Hemoglobin will combine with oxygen to form oxyhemoglobin, which is an unstable compound. Blood with oxyhemoglobin is transported from the lung to the heart and pumped to the other parts of the body. Now, I'll continue with pulmonary circulatory system and systemic circulatory system. Oxygenated blood from the lung enter the left atrium to the pulmonary vein. When the left atrium contracts, oxygenated blood is forced to flow into the left ventricle through bicuspid valve. Then, oxygenated blood is forced to flow out into the aorta to be carried out to all parts of the body except the lung. Then, the oxygenated blood will enter the right atrium to the superior and inferior vena cava. When the right atrium contracts, the oxygenated blood is forced to flow into the right ventricle through tricuspid valve. Then, the oxygenated blood is forced to flow out the pulmonary artery to be carried to the lungs. Next, I'll continue with the effect of tar and nicotine in circulate to our nervous system. Nervous system consists of peripheral nervous system, which is cranial nerve and spinal nerve, while the central nerve system consists of brain and spinal cord. Tar and nicotine is one of the toxic substances found in cigarette smoke. The cranial nerve connecting the brain into the internal organs such as heart, brain, and liver. The smoker smoke will gather at their heart and lung and go through the cranial nerves to the brain. As we know, the brain is the central nervous system, so it can affect all the body parts. Nicotine causes blood vessels to tighten, which restricts the flow of blood. Over time, the ongoing narrowing, along with damage to the blood vessels, this can cause peripheral artery disease.